Hello, my name is Vrinda Jatalia and I'm a biotech undergraduate student at PES University, Bangalore. Since I'm very interested in computational biology and immunology, I enrolled myself in the 7-day online workshop on immunoinformatics and vaccine design offered by BDG Life Sciences. We worked on the SARS-CoV-2 proteins as it's the most relevant. My trainer, Monica Moitra ma'am, introduced us to various tools and servers which I use in the in silico process of reverse vaccine development. I'd like to thank her for all her efforts, and I'd like to thank BDG Life Sciences for offering this course.
Hello, I'm Sanjana Hasyagar, a biotechnology engineering student from PS University. I'm currently in my final year and I am a computational biology enthusiast. And when I came across this workshop about immunoinformatics and reverse vaccine technology, it really thrilled me to learn new tools that I can use for reverse vaccine design and our trainer Monica ma'am taught us a lot of tools that we can use to design and to dock antibody antigens and I would also like to thank BDG Life Sciences for organizing an informative workshop like this, and yeah, I'm very glad that I was a part of it. Thank you.
Greetings for the day. I am Sohini Chakrabarti and I have completed my post-graduation in biomedical genetics from VIT Vellore. I have registered in the Metagenomics in 16S RNA course, a 3-day one, to learn more about metagenomics, and it has really been a great experience. The past few days have been really rough for me, but yes, I have already gone through the steps and I'll submit the results shortly. And thank you for conducting this training. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hadwarki Masari. I am a research scholar from Bodleian University, Assam. Recently, I attended online workshop on metagenomics data analysis organized by BTC Life Sciences. It was a great learning experience for me as I have learned so many important informations about metagenomics and data analysis. The content of the course was really good, and my trainer was Pratik sir. He was extremely good and very helpful. He taught each and every steps in a very easy and clear manner so that anyone can understand very easily. Thank you VDC Life Sciences for organizing such a wonderful workshop. And if anyone is really willing to work on metagenomics, then I'll definitely recommend you to attend this workshop by BTC Life Sciences. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Kulsum Banu and I recently completed PhD in enzyme purification and characterization from Integral University. I attend 3-day online training on metagenomic analysis in 16S rRNA amplicon sequencing data analysis. The content was really helpful in performing practical sessions, and although I would suggest one thing, if a short note could be provided in the PDF form through mail and any other mode, it was really a great workshop and hopefully help me a lot in my future research works. Thanks, BDG Life Sciences Private Limited.
Good evening, I am Ditam. I am currently pursuing my MSc in Biotechnology from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. So I attended the 1-week hands-on introduction to bioinformatics session conducted by BDG Life Sciences from the 12th to 18th October 2020. I was mentored by Sharvari ma'am, and honestly, I have never seen anybody who is as patient, as dedicated, and she's such an expert in her field, such that I didn't have any difficulty in grasping what she was teaching, and I am really thankful to her for making me learn all these tools, all these amazing tools about bioinformatics and things like that. And also I would like to thank BDG Life Sciences for coming up with this amazing workshop. So that's all I want to say. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ria and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in microbiology from PDM University, Bahadurgarh. I recently participated in a 6-day workshop of molecular docking arranged by BDG Life Sciences. My experience in the workshop was very nice and very good. The tutor was so helpful and easygoing that she helped us in each step and made things so convenient to learn and to implement in the future. So, because my experience was so nice, I am looking forward for BDG to bring up more such workshops uh, in future, and I am very keen to participate in them. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sakshi Tanwar and I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in microbiology from PDM University, Bahadurgarh. I recently attended one of the workshops of BDG Life Science, that was molecular docking. My experience was so good that I am looking forward for more workshops like this, and the teacher was so helpful and easygoing that she told us what to do in each step and helped us. Thank you so much.